Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very important aspect of Shopify.com, the inbox of Shopify. Now, we all know that the cornerstone for success for any organization is the communication that you have with your customers. If you do not have effective communication, then obviously your business is going to suffer greatly. And that is the reason why we're making today's video, to give you a complete insight and a step-by-step methodology and strategy and implementation of those strategies to ensure that you have the correct knowledge in actually executing it in the right way. And the first thing that you need to do is understand what Shopify.com is. Now, if anyone's interested in becoming a dropshipper, then this is that platform where you need to start your journey from, because Shopify is a global commerce platform that is helping to build your business to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. You can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. And the reason why we recommend it as the number one platform to use is because you have an opportunity to understand and check out what all the other dropshippers are doing, especially the ones that are successful. And all we need to do is understand that strategy, implement and execute that strategy, so we can also get to become a millionaire on Shopify.com and break away from the 9-to-5 and get the financial freedom that we always wanted, where we can sell online, sit back, relax, and see the money roll in, with 10% of the total US e-commerce that is done on Shopify and $444 billion of global economic activities. And the beauty of it all is that you can build an online storefront where you can bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise required, meaning you do not need to spend a lot of money. If you look back 5 to 10 years ago, one of the major aspects and problems people tend to face was the fact that this was a very cost-intensive market to enter. You needed a front-end developer, you needed a back-end developer, you needed someone that understood the UI and UX. And obviously, once you combine all of that together, you needed someone to write up all the descriptions and the titles and all the information on the website before it could be launched. But with Shopify.com, you can select from customizable templates that are already created by a community of world-class designers, and you can add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. And when you combine all of that together, you can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools, social integrations, and sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. And with the best converting checkout on the planet, you can back your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that's built to convert, and a point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. You can reach new leads, engage with customers, and build on the data that you have. You can even streamline your back office and oversee your operation and fulfill your orders and manage your inventories and track your payments and view real-time business insights all in one place, so you can focus on building your business to get your products where they need to be, with the integrated inventory management, streamlined returns, and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network. You can also manage your business and finances all from one place, guys. Now, if you don't have an account, don't worry at all. All you need to do is click on start the free trial or sign up by clicking in the description below. Once you do that, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left-hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, your content, your analytics, your marketing, and your discounts. Then you would have your sales channels, your online store, your point of sale, and your social media platform where you would be selling your products and services. Now, one of the things, guys, that we're going to focus on in today's video is the fact that Shopify has an absolutely brilliant app store. Now, this is where the app store is. Now, if you click over here, you can see all the different apps that are available. If you click on the apps over here, you'll be able to see all the recommended apps that are available. Now, all the recommended apps are over here that we can check out, but we want to find a particular app that we're looking for. So what we're going to do is click on add apps. And once we click on add apps, we're going to scroll down and click on view more. As we do that, we'll be redirected to the app store. Now, this is what the app store looks like, guys. Now, you have different apps by categories. If you want to check finding products, ordering and shipping, marketing conversion, selling products, store design or store management, or even blockchain and all the elements over here, you can easily find the related apps that are available. If you scroll down, you can see the different apps that are available for you to use. Now, the one that we're going to focus on is called Shopify Inbox. It has 1,603 reviews, and obviously people are interested in it. And the first thing that you'll notice that it's completely free. You don't need to pay anything. And Shopify Inbox is a free messaging tool that lets you chat with customers as they shop across many channels. And 70% of all inbox conversations are with shoppers making a purchase. And while you chat, you can use the live customer information like products reviews, what's in their cart, and past orders to tailor your message your customer. Now, the thing that you'll notice over here is the fact that this is a very highly artificially intelligent chat box, because it gives you all the information before you need. So you don't need to ask the person if you have ordered with a store before, what kind of thing they're looking for, what they've bought, because you'll be able to visually see what they have been doing and what their history is. And then you can tailor your responses based on that. You can turn on the chat, track the results, manage conversation, and quickly understand who customers are with their profiles and cart details. You can send product recommendation, photos, and even discounts without leaving the chat. You can automate greetings and contact capture as well. Now, if you scroll up over here, you can check out the View Demo Store. Now, once you click on the View Demo Store, what happens is that you'll be able to see that element over here. Now, this is what the chatbot is. If you click on chat with us over here, you'll be able to check this out. Now, once you do that, you can easily see all the information over here. So if you put hi, you will get a response. Before we start, we have to put our name. So we'll put our name, and then we'll put our last name, and then we'll put our email address. Now, once we do that, we can start chatting. So this is the element over here that I absolutely love about Inbox over here. So we can say, how are you doing? And then we're going to get responses based on that. And they're going to be follow-up responses. You can automate the response if you want to. You can add any pictures if you want to. And obviously, this is the reason why I always mention to individuals to understand the power of this particular app, because it gives you a chance to understand the amount of flexibility that you can get. Now, once you want to use it, all you need to do is return to the chat and head over here, then click on add the app. Now, once you click on add the app, what happens is that you're going to be redirected to the next page. On this page, obviously, you have to give authorization for it to be added. So we're going to say add this to our sales channel. And once we click on add to our sales channel, it will download the app and then put the app onto our Shopify store. And the beauty of this element is, guys, it does not require a lot of work that needs to be done. All you need to do is understand what your requirements are, what you need to do. Then based on that, you can easily develop everything. Now, obviously, as you can see, the app has been added over here. You have your saved responses, your chat settings, your integrations, and your notifications. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see all the elements over here that's available. You can get the mobile app as well. So you can message, you can get a messenger set up for the Instagram as well, and use the different elements that are available. You can even give customers a better experience by sending automated replies when a customer starts a conversation. You can personalize and preview your online store with instant and quick replies as well. And you can check the chat settings over here, and you will see the elements that can be actually given to you that you can change the way that you want. You can even put a email marketing consent, and you can talk about the brand customization the way that you want. You can position it, you can change the color, you can track your orders, and you can manage instant answers as well. And obviously, if you want to take matters to the next level, you can even click on not visible or visible, and you can even change the greeting when someone comes in, and you can put any message that you want. As you can see over here, you can change it the way that you want, and that is the beauty of the level of customization that is available with Shopify.com. Now, you can easily change anything that you want. There's different integrations that you can add on to this particular element. You can turn on the direct message into direct sales. You can have your Facebook messages in one place, so you can make sure that you're always on top of your customers and you have the right information about your customers. You're replying back to your customers and you're converting your customer, because at the end of the day, the most important thing is customer service. If you can provide good customer service, you will convert and change those customers into loyal returning customers. And a returning customers is a lifelong customer, and that is where you can actually scale your business and start making a lot of money. Now, if you got any questions, if you need any clarifications whatsoever, you can always drop us a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be personally very happy to answer any questions that you've got. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media so more people can find out how to integrate the inbox for Shopify onto your Shopify store and actually give a customer service that people will always remember. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.